Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore Nairobi's most iconic skyscrapers, basically Old Mutual Tower. Standing in the Upper Hill neighborhood, Old Mutual is a 33-story building that has been significant of much importance of part of Nairobi's skyline since it went 20. The tower offers 29,000 square meters of office space, housing various corporate tenants. So the design emphasizes modernity and functionality. The sleek in the interior of this particular building is the state of the art. Its parking space is sufficient enough with over 820 parking slots. We have two basement levels, the ground level, and three floors of parking space. And actually itself, it is strategically located in the upper hill positions, which is a prime address for the business seeking proximity towards the Nairobi center. Architectural design reflects a blend of contemporary aesthetics and practicality, contributing to Nairobi's evolving cityscape. And actually at this point you can realize that a blend of concrete and glasses makes it easier for visual appearance. On top of that, also it gives an ample nature light, especially at night. You will realize in this video that the lights on Old Mutual Tower at night, it gives a very beautiful view of the environment of the Nairobi city at night. And from my visit, it is evident that the Old Mutual Tower stands a testament to the Nairobi's rapid urban development and ambition. Its presence in the Upper Hill signifies a shift towards the modernity and growth. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no. As a 360 view of the Nairobi city, when you're on third floor of this particular building, you can actually rotate and see all the sides of the Nairobi city from this particular position. Then from here, I think I'll leave you to enjoy the night lights and entertainment for January 01, 2025 fireworks from this particular building. Get to say that Old Mutual Tower is the second tallest building actually in the city of Nairobi, or amongst the skyscrapers within the Nairobi city, which is actually found in Kenya. So thank you for joining me on this tour of Old Mutual Towers. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more exploratory or explorational videos of Nairobi architectural landmarks, and many more videos. Thank you. See you in our next video.